Hello, hello. Welcome to the Beer Trends Renewed Man unboxing. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Hello. So, Renewed Man sent us some fine things, and we're going to give us our first impression on these fine things. I think we have some oils. We have a couple different scents and possibly a couple of bombs. And at the end of the month, we're going to give you a nice little discount and also a giveaway live stream. So, let's kick it off with Mr. Mike Cribbs.
All right, what is going on, family? I have a box here from Renewed Man Groom and Style Company. Let's just grab the box and get into this stanky stuff. Let's just go here and show you.
Very
Get a nice pamphlet, which little bit of some news. Renewed Man's beard grooming tips, tells a little bit about the company. It's got a nice card right here. Says a thank you, so that's a nice little pointer. And it looks like we have a couple of bombs, a couple of their oils, and this is what I really love about this company. You have the option of getting dropper tops to replace the restrictor tops. That is amazing to me that is an offered item, because I really love the dropper tops on this. And it comes with a Renewed Man sticker, which I just so happen to have on the coffee mug. So it looks like the 2 scent profiles that I have, at least, is Lumberjack's Wisdom. It's Forest Trees and Mint. And then the other is the Iron Dram, which is the profile of Bourbon and Spice, which is really cool. And I got those both in the oil and bomb. So it seems like it's a hockey puck. Very, very strong hold bomb. Scent profile doesn't seem to be that bad. But they are essential oils. There are no fragrance oils in that are available as of yet, but I've heard rumors that it's coming. So Lumberjack Wisdom, very fresh, very woodsy kind of a scent profile. Definitely get that out of it. Definitely that mint as well. So it's kind of like a pine tree with mint in it. Very nice, very subtle, not a loud scent profile at all. And now let's go for this to Bourbon and Spice. Oh, nice and spicy with a little kick of that bourbon. But you can definitely tell it's an essential oil, not fragrance, but scent profile to it. Very nice bottles, frosted, labeling on the side. I mean, it's a win there. And plus, I'll put these droppers in it right now. So now I'm going to pass it off to the next guy.
Hey, I am the next guy. So welcome to my section of the next guy in line for the Beer Trends of Renewed Man. I got the same colored box, the same stamp on it, but I think I have a little bit something different when I open it up. So let's just take a look here. I got all the info falling out all over. So we just let that fall out. We get our daughter to clean it up and we give her a quarter. I got the same pamphlet here. And actually, what I really like about the pamphlet is it's like a growth step type how to use beard oil, beard balm, talks about the quality, the guarantee, the 365-day guarantee, I believe. Yep, 365 days. That's a full year, folks. That is a full year that this is guaranteed for. And then you get a guitar pick and a sticker. And then what else I have in the box here is the box within the box. So check this out. He's got this little box here. And let me show you one of my favorite things about these boxes is you undress them. And what you have is this little guy right here. And it's like, ding, ding, ding. So it like sticks to itself. It's a magnet in there. But you open it up and you got some awesome beard oils. And these things are a pain to get out of these. Like, how do you, I don't understand how you do this. So I just go like this and dump them out. Clink them all together, dump them out, get the trash on the ground, let Aubrey clean it up. And I have the same type bottles as the last feller had. And since I'm the next feller, we'll just say the last feller, which is Beard Swag, by the way. But check out these bottles here. I love these. They're like amber but frosted, and then you got these aluminum caps, well, aluminum looking caps. And I think that this is pretty sweet look. And now it's like 2 companies in a row that I've seen that use these type of caps. So what is awesome about that is it's kind of this classic look, and what he did with it with these amber bottles that are frosted is it just looks super classy and unique. But then these labels, they're black and they're foil printed. You got some color on there, but you got their logo. Like, you're gonna know this is Renewed Man when you're going out there. Now, as far as scent profiles, I have every scent that they have, and I have it in oil and balm. So I'm not necessarily going to give the exact first impressions because we could be here all day, but I'm going to grab Gypsy Tobacco because that's the one I have right here. So look how the colors kind of flow with like the tobacco theme. You got some shininess on there from the foil, and let's see. Here we go. Definitely essential oil. This isn't the normal tobacco type scent that I would get. It's more real earthy tobacco, but I'm excited to dig in. And I do have other options, as Mike said earlier. You can get the dropper top like this, or you can get the pump action. If you're a pump action type guy, you can get the pump action top as well. You get the options to get whatever type top you want. And if you want to see this balm real quick, just take a look at that. And it's got a little bit of a rattle, so I think it's going to be a harder hold balm. Balm lives still matter. And I can smell the scent from here. What is this one? Warlock's Spice. And it is spicy. So if you're not into spice scents, that's not going to be for you. But I happen to love spice. So this Warlock Spice is probably going to be one of my go-tos. Other than that, I'm excited to dig in this month, test it out for the whole month, and come back and give you guys my final thoughts towards the end of January, and then have the Beard Trends exclusive discount. So I've done a little bit of work for Renewed Man. So you can go back and check out any of those videos on my channel. But I'm going to hand it on over to the next person on the list.
So I got this sweet box that looks very much the same as everyone else's. And let's see what's on the inside. Let's see what falls out. Oh, I don't know how to open a box. I didn't cut the sides. 1
Get
second.
that big knife.
This is going so well.
It is going wonderful.
Miklos.
There's a little thank you on there. I'm just going to read it. It says, well, this is interesting. Hold on. Do you guys see that? It says Master Browner.
Wow. There you go.
Browner, your last
Master Browner. First, thank you for all you do for the bearded community. Reviews not only make a difference for the companies, but your transparency is really valued for consumers. Second, thank you for reaching out to us to check out our latest products. My wife and I truly have spent countless hours refining, tweaking, and testing these formulas. We're pretty excited about them. Here's a little bit of information, and then it tells you all the ingredients in the oils, which is kind of cool. So let's get right into the box. There's some more stuff here. Invoice, I think. Then there's this little pamphlet. There's a little card. It looks like I've got a couple oils and a couple balms here as well. This is the Lumberjack's Wisdom. It's about to slip out of my hand. Awesome. This is the Dragon's Musk. Just watch the whole box fall in about 2 seconds. Warlock Spice for the balm. And then we've got the Gentleman's Dapper. Actually, I really like these logos. They look really cool here.
Yeah, those are amazing.
So this is the Lumberjack's Wisdom. I don't know what's in it. Let's guess. I'm getting some like spearmint, pine kind of stuff in here, and not really smelling anything else. So we'll see what's in there when we go through the review. And then this one is the Dragon's Musk. Dragon's Musk. Oh, this has got some sort of a fruit in it, I think, but it's like a very ripe. It's definitely a musky scent. So Dragon Musk is the right name for it. I don't know how else to describe it aside from musk. I think there might be a little bit of citrus in there too, or orange or something like that. So we'll see once we actually do the review. I'm gonna also check out this Gentleman's Dapper. There's the balm. Let's see how easily it comes out. So not super easy. It looks like it's a little bit of a harder balm. So we can probably expect a pretty good hold on that.
Put it in.
That's what she said. You just got it?
Yeah.
Well, I was laughing the whole time. I had my mic muted.
Oh, okay. I can't really tell what the scent profile is on this one,
None
but
of
none of your beeswax. Yeah.
your
So
profile like that. It's called none of your beeswax.
yeah, very beeswax scent. We'll see. Maybe when it's in beard, it'll come out a little bit more. And this one's the Warlock Spice.
Are you having an earthquake there?
Yeah, every time I touch something, there's a bit of an earthquake. Yeah, this one is kind of similar to that first one that I smelled, which was the Lumberjack Wisdom. So what is this? This is a Warlock Spice. Kind of similar to that in a bit of like the piney type of a little bit of zest to it. So yeah, that's what I got. I'm going to pass it on to the next guy who can only be Patrick, so I will name him as Patrick.
Aha! You were wrong.
Darn it.
Hey, what's up, everybody? As Tyson said, I too have all the scents, but I'm going to go ahead and open this little box here like he did. Really nice presentation. And like the little, what did you call it, Tyson? A little flipperoo?
Yeah, look at that. Oh, that's awesome. Feels so good.
And these scents that I got in here are the Jolly Beard. It won't focus. Are we going to edit this?
Nah, gotta keep it all in.
Raw.
Through the lens.
This is all staying in.
No, with the mom.
All right. There's the Jolly Beard, the Iron Dram, the Gypsies. What do you guys say it? Tobacco?
Yep.
I actually really, really like these bottles. And the two bombs that I have is the Lumberjack's Wisdom. And I got actually the unscented version of the bomb. And the first one I'm going to try is the Iron Dram. It's bourbon and caramel spice. Oh, I get a lot of that spice. I love spice. It smells good. The tobacco, it's like a vanilla. It's with sweet tobacco, vanilla, and smoke. And I also got a Mashta. That'll do it for me. You guys ready to get this party started now?
Oh, I already started the party.
Is there gonna be a party? I did not receive an invitation. Hello. No. You see, I'm not very smart, so I opened the box the opposite way, but then I opened it the right way, so it's completely falling apart on all sides. So that's pretty funny. So I'll laugh at Kaz. So yeah, we got the same stuff as all the other guys. A couple pieces of paper. I read this a second ago. Reviews don't not only make a difference for the companies, but your transparency is also valued for customers. Very nice. Thank you so much. They call me Master Veselka as well. So
Perfect. I was going to ask.
yeah, no, they call me like Peasant Veselka. So here's the pamphlet. Very nice. Thank you so much. Renewed. Lovely. I'm looking for that sticker because I love stickers. I new one for my laptop there. Sticker
Yes.
uppers.
Who uses laptops anymore?
Yeah. So as everyone else, I have the Warlock Spice and the Dragon Musk. Geez, it's hard for me to figure that out. Then Gypsy's Tobacco for the oil. Then and then the Lumberjack's Wisdom. All right, so I'm gonna give them a quick little sniff, and then we're gonna kind of. I'm pretty sure that's everything here. It's a lot of packing in here. Yeah, I believe that's everything. All right, if I can get it. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Get some.
Warlock Spice. If you're opening the Warlock Spice, be aware that it can really run away on you. So the consistency, again, as everyone has been saying, very, very, oh, geez, very tough. Oh, wow. Okay, let's give this one a sniff. Very nice. What's the scent profile on this one? Okay, yeah. So, yeah, definitely a lot of shea butter in that one. That should be nice. Dragon's musk. Don't leave your beard parched, it says on it. Good advice. Oh, yeah, that smells really nice. Again, yeah, it is very clear that they are essential oil based. You don't really smell anything too complex, but it's at the same time, you know, let's be honest, it's probably going to be pretty healthy for your beard if you're going to make essential oil dominant balms and oils and things of that nature. So yeah, this one should be really nice as well. But again, not too complex. Here's the big one. I'm probably going to put this one in my beard. I haven't even smelled it yet, but you guys have been talking it up. So, oh yeah. Here, let's put this in beard. Very haphazardly take it out. It's kind of a medium viscosity type of oil. Take my ring off. Yeah, so definitely not kind of your traditional tobacco scent. Oh yeah, but that definitely kicks you on the back end there. Oh yeah, I like that a lot actually. That one's a winner. I will say for sure that my review of that will be positive, depending on whether the hydration from it is good or not. And then Lumberjack's Wisdom. Oh yeah, okay. So a lot of mint, a lot of spearmint. Very nice. All right. So thank you so much for joining us today, guys. We're going to give us, give our full reviews on this on all of our own individual channels. Sometime towards the end of the month, we're going to give you a live stream, and I hope you guys will be there. We're going to just hopefully get you guys a good deal on some of these products and give you insight as to whether it is worth to purchase them and things of that nature. So, any closing statements, lads?
They definitely came out with a pick too for the bombs.
Oh yeah.
If you notice in there, that's a good sign of that really heavy hold bomb there.
Mm-hmm.
I really like the look and presentation that the company has, and I think, as a new company launching with this type of presentation, I think that's a really good thing. It shows that he paid attention to the community, wants to give a great experience. And so I'm excited to get more testing done with this, but I think the presentation, the labels are one of the best I've ever seen, because you got matte printing, you got foil printing, different colors. I don't think he spared any expense, but I really like the logo as well.
Yeah, man, I'm going to put this sticker on my computer right now. And
Cool.
thank you so much for joining us once again. And cheers.
Cheers.
Bada boom.